Hello my friend, welcome to my blog. So it's evening time, so I'm going for an evening walk. Look around here, so many fields, that is wheat field. Okay, so all these field actually belong to our villagers, and one field is also our uh, me, like my father and my father's brother. So two field also in this area that belong to us. So you can see, just look around, so many wheat field. And so in this evening time, I'm going for a walk because today actually is Sunday. So I didn't do so much work today. Actually, I woke up at 7 o'clock. Then I had shower. Okay, after I did some yoga. Okay, like pranayam. Then I had breakfast, like a full meal. Okay, because I do not take lunch, so I actually take full meal in morning time. Then I take meal in night, like in dinner. So after taking breakfast, actually I was not feeling good. Okay, like I was not feeling that I should work. So I thought I should sleep. So I slept for 1 and 2 hours. Then I got up. Then the time was 2 o'clock. So in 2 o'clock, i I just did some work on mobile. Okay, so because these days I'm also doing network marketing. Okay, online affiliate marketing. Okay, online work. So that's why I thought. And like in 3 p.m, my sister-in-law, she called me to cut grass for buffalo. So I cut grass. So I climbed on the tree. Then I cut grass for our buffalo. Then I separated all the leaves from the stem. Okay, then I chopped that grass in the chopping machine. So I did some physical work today, but not office work. Okay, because everyone want some relax time. Okay, nobody wants only one work, like the whole week. So that is the thing. That's why I thought i should uh, I should come for evening walk, because I wanted to look after my field. So in our field these days there are so many stray animals like ox and cows. They are coming and they are destroying our field. They are grazing that wheat plant. Okay, because this time you can see this is our field. So wheat plant is like 1 feet, not 1 feet, half feet. Okay, so that's why they like it. They like to graze, they like to eat that wheat plant. Okay, so that's why I have come here to look after my field. So this time, in if this wheat crop actually need rainwater, because rainwater actually is like there are so many you know good things in rainwater. Okay, so that's why this wheat plant actually need rain. So you can see actually here, ox actually have destroyed that wheat field in this area. They also actually they also they also destroy this side. So this is our field. Actually wheat plant, that wheat plant is turning yellow. I will show you. So that wheat plant is turning yellow. So this is the wheat plant is turning yellow because this time that wheat crop actually need rainy water. So but it is not raining these days. So we are waiting for rain, because when rain actually come down, then this wheat crop will flourish, will grow properly. Okay, so that is the thing. So here I will show you this side. That is the boundary. That is the boundary of our field, and this side, it's a down area. Okay, there is a small river in that side, and there are so many, you know, bamboo. There are so many bamboo. Okay, and that is abandoned place. Okay, so that all are abandoned place. Okay, so in this place, like 5 and 6 year ago, people used to actually cut grass for animal. But right now, so many weeds, okay, and unnecessary things actually have grown in this area. So nobody care about their field, because that field actually, that's all down there. That field actually belong to villagers, not our field is like this side. So here is some hustling sound. Yes. There is some hustling sound. I think something is there, because so many peacock and pig and some other forest animal are there down there. That's why I heard some hustling sound. So maybe I will put, I will throw, I will throw the stone. So maybe no, that hustling sound just was just leaf. I think leaf sound, because this time there are so many dry leaves actually lay here under the tree, so they actually make sound. Okay, so I can see here you can see here, I think this that stray animal must have come this side. Yes, but we have protected our field with fancy, so there is no worry. Okay, my friend. So if you want to improve your English, okay, that's very important these days. So if you want to improve your English, the thing is that you have to speak. Without speaking, if you have been listening English for 4, 5, 3 months, then it will not work. So you have to take step, okay, and start practicing. Okay, start speaking English in front of camera. Okay, like yeah, you can also practice English in like a record video. Like me, I'm also recording this video. I'm not too much perfect in English, okay, you can, but I'm trying, because when we try, then one day we will be perfect. Okay, so same like in Hindi language, when we were child, okay, we were kid, so we actually learned that mother tongue language, Hindi language, from our mother, fathers, okay, and villagers. Okay, they actually spoke with us. Okay, so same we actually repeated that same word to others. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so you can see here there are so many bamboo. Okay, that is actually secluded place. Okay, like abandoned place. Okay, nobody actually come here. So my friend, now, so if you really want to speak, if you really want to learn how to speak, okay, then you have to speak. Without speaking, actually you can't be fluent in English. That is, there are so many English channels in YouTube. Okay, so they actually have a conversation with each other. Okay, like and they also upload that conversation video, okay, on their channel. So you can also do same thing. Okay, but the thing is that we have to start, and when we start English, okay, when we start speaking, then actually confidence will come. Okay, confidence will come slowly. Okay, so that's the important thing. First, speak. How how to speak, okay, and where to speak, it's depend on you. Okay, like me, I'm also practicing English here in the field, okay, in our village. So you can also, around in your village, around in your city, like also in your room, if you are living in a rental house, then you can start speaking in front of camera, in front of mirror. But first you have to know some vocabulary words, because without vocabulary words we can't speak. If we have lack of vocabulary words, then that is definitely sure that nobody will nobody will able to speak English. So for speaking English, we should have the vocabulary words. Okay, so that is the thing. So my friend, please support me, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and if someone want to speak, if someone want to have conversation with me, then you can comment me, you can write something in comment. Okay, and we will, yeah, we will actually conduct Zoom meeting. Yeah, we will conduct collaborations. Okay, we will conduct Zoom meeting. Okay, then we will actually not for a long time, but just for a 50-minute. If someone want to speak with me, if someone want to practice with me in English, then just for 50 minutes we can record that video, and we can upload that video on your YouTube channel. Also I will upload this video my YouTube channel. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, for more English video, vocabulary words, okay, sentence, day to day, daily sentence, please subscribe and write something in comment. Thank you very much.